Here I have Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, then swipe power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So yeah, that's what these letters here are indicating. So if you want to quit this mode when you're done using Fastboot, all you need to do is to just hold down power key for about 7 seconds, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.